How to overcome fear. Fear is a natural emotion that everyone experiences at some point in their lives. It is a basic survival mechanism that helps us recognize and respond to potential danger. However, when fear becomes excessive, it can become debilitating and prevent us from living life to the fullest. If you are struggling with fear and looking for ways to overcome it, here are some tips that may help. 1. Identify the root cause of your fear. The first step in overcoming fear is to identify the source of it. What is it that is causing you to feel afraid? Is it a specific situation, person, or event? Once you have identified the root cause of your fear, you can start to work on overcoming it. 2. Challenge your thoughts. Our thoughts can often contribute to our fears. Negative thoughts can create a cycle of fear and anxiety that can be difficult to break. To overcome your fear, challenge your thoughts by asking yourself questions like, is this fear rational? Or, what evidence do I have to support this fear? By challenging your thoughts, you can begin to see your fear in a more realistic light. 3. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. When you feel yourself becoming overwhelmed by fear, take a few deep breaths and focus on your breath. This can help to slow down your heart rate and reduce feelings of panic. 4. Take small steps. Facing your fears can be daunting, but taking small steps can help you build confidence and overcome your fears. Start by exposing yourself to situations that make you slightly uncomfortable, and gradually work your way up to more challenging situations. Celebrate each small victory, and use it as motivation to keep going. 5. Seek support. Talking to someone you trust about your fears can help you gain perspective and feel less alone. Consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who can provide you with tools and techniques to overcome your fears. 6. Focus on the present moment. Fear often arises from worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. By focusing on the present moment, you can shift your attention away from your fears and into the present. Mindfulness techniques such as body scanning or visualization can help you stay present and reduce anxiety. Overcoming fear is a process that takes time and effort. By identifying the root cause of your fear, challenging your thoughts, practicing relaxation techniques, taking small steps, seeking support, and focusing on the present moment, you can begin to overcome your fears and live a more fulfilling life. 7. Reframe your fear. Another effective way to overcome fear is to reframe it in a positive light. Instead of focusing on the negative aspects of the situation, try to find something positive in it. For example, if you are afraid of public speaking, instead of focusing on the fear of failure, focus on the opportunity to share your message with others. 8. Visualize success. Visualizing success can be a powerful tool in overcoming fear. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself succeeding in the situation that is causing you fear. Imagine yourself feeling confident and in control, and visualize yourself achieving your goals. This can help to boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. 9. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential in overcoming fear. Make sure you are getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax, such as reading a book, taking a bath, or listening to music. 10. Embrace failure. Failure is a natural part of life, and it is inevitable that we will experience it at some point. Instead of fearing failure, try to embrace it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Failure can be a valuable teacher, and it can help us to develop resilience and perseverance. Overcoming fear is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. By using these tips and techniques, you can begin to overcome your fears and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, fear is not something to be ashamed of. It is a natural emotion that everyone experiences. With the right tools and mindset, you can learn to overcome your fears and live a life that is rich and rewarding.